Welcome to Invest Northern Ireland's COVID-19 response webinar series.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rodney McMullen from Invest Northern Ireland, and I would like to welcome you all to our COVID-19 response webinar. Today's topic is part of our Practical Export Skills series, and we're talking about social media trends for 2020 and what to do about them. Once again, our presenter is Declan Murtaugh from Brilliant Red. And after today's presentation, there will be a Q&A session with Declan. So thank you to everyone who has already submitted a question. If you have a specific question now, or one that comes up during our presentation, please use the Questions tab on your webinar control panel to send it through to us. We're also recording this webinar, and it will be available on the investni.com website. We will email you with the details when it is online. So I would like to welcome our presenter today, Declan Murtaugh from Brilliant Red.
Thank you very much, Rodney, and again, thanks to everyone at InvestNI for helping deliver these workshops and partnering with me to facilitate them. Today's webinar is going to last around 30 to 40 minutes, and as Rodney says, there will be an opportunity afterwards to put some questions to me and to just use the question message box there. This is the last webinar of the series. And it's titled Social Media Trends for 2020 and what to do about them. And I've spoken to lots of our clients about their social media activities and what they see happening and what their plans are for the next year. I've also looked at what has been happening in globally and looked at some of what the global experts and influencers have been saying, and we've done some sort of a lot of research and devised or pluck some of these key social media trends that you can expect to see over the next year or so. So I'll be discussing 6 major trends and then some other trends after that, how these trends might affect your business and what you can do about it, and whether there's actually an opportunity or a threat that comes with some of these, I suppose, trends. So one of the things we're actually going to talk about today is how to the importance of keeping up to date with some of these social media trends and why you need to keep up to date with these social media trends. And one of the first things is that you can easily get caught out. Social media is constantly evolving and changing. And sometimes, you might find if a client maybe tries to contact you via a new method, or, there's a WhatsApp integration now with Facebook and you don't respond, or you look to have not heard of it before, you can maybe look a little bit out of touch or even a little bit sort of behind the times and get caught out a little bit and not maybe look as professional as you should. These new trends also uncover new opportunities. For example, social platforms such as TikTok can present new opportunities to engage with your audience. New technologies and features on some of these social channels can also enhance your engagement and create opportunities. Like there's a new retargeting element on LinkedIn advertising through their LinkedIn pixel code or tag, which can uncover new opportunities for remarketing and so on. So there's lots of new opportunities that come with some new trends on social media. It also builds credibility and value. If you're staying on top of trends and that you're at the forefront of every new tool or new advancement on social media, it does add a credibility to your business, and because it makes you look like you're switched on, you're in the here and now, and there's an element of that which does build value for your business. And I mentioned social media is constantly evolving and it's very fluid, and just last week, for example, Facebook rolled out a new interface, if you're using Facebook on a desktop or a laptop. So it's constantly evolving, and you do need to keep on top and on trend with what's going on. And in any modern business, I suppose, consumer behavior, and a lot of that's driven by advancements in technology, various online trends, or even situations like COVID-19, which has caused or made an enormous amount of businesses pivot and determine that they need to be more active online. They need to have a better online presence, and particularly on social media.